Hello and welcome. Just got finished doing a budget-friendly restoration on the driver and passenger side power seat units off a 72 Eldorado. I originally had planned to repair these on site, but there were many issues with the units preventing me timely access to the components. It was easiest just to remove both seats and work on them at home. The passenger side was by far the worst of the two, with most of the drive cable clips broken. It was even missing bolts holding it together, and the wrong hardware was installed. Once I got into it, you could tell why the unit was having trouble. For starters, all the grease in the transmission was completely solidified. The parts were completely cleaned, re-greased, and then the unit was reassembled and tested with the motor. Motor and transmission are working fine in both directions. You can hear the solenoids clicking in the transmission. Your motor works awesome. This should not do this. Next, track disassembly revealed missing parts and, of course, broken gliders. The track feet were also quite twisted on both sides. After reassembly, the parts were laid out and it was time to repair the cable ends. Most were cracked and missing pieces. The ends on the transmission side were all good. Here are the new 3D printed cable ends attached to the original drive cables. The passenger side tracks were then completely disassembled and the transmission parts thoroughly cleaned. Even though the gliders on this side were intact, the cracks present made them unusable and new gliders were installed. Both units were then mocked up and bench tested. This is the driver's side harness on it, but it works like a champ. The harnesses were modified to accept modern relays, and the entire assembly was mounted to the seats and again tested before reinstalling in the customer's car. It was the worst for the wear. We're moving back all the way, give me some leg room. We're going up in the front. Holy cow, I've been pimping. Going up in the back. In its final resting spot, all the way forward so we can install the back first and ground it so we can then move the seat back.
Here we go. Now look at the leg room.
I see it.
That's all it, right?
Yep.
There we go. That's good enough, man.
All right.
Now I'm comfortable.
Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks.